All right, what is going on with mortgage rates? When we did get teased last week, Tuesday and Wednesday had a nice rebound across rates. Many pointed the conflict between Israel and Hamas as that main catalyst, that flight to safety trade. However, maybe it was more of a Fed accommodation reaction. I mean, Monday and Tuesday, we had comments from various Fed presidents who talked about the risk of over tightening, that they felt they'd done enough up to this point to bring inflation down to its target 2%. And then Thursday, we had CPI. If you remember, it was a bit higher than expected, especially across services and inflation. So unfortunately, rates lost ground, which has bled into this week. Now, there have been other economic reports that have come out and kind of strengthened that narrative that the economy is much stronger than what the markets or the Fed want to see, especially after 11 rate hikes. I mean, you would think that after all the restrictive measures put in place, you would see a slowdown across wage and payroll growth, a slowdown across consumer spending and demand. That is not at all what you're seeing, especially with Tuesday's retail sales data that came in much stronger than forecasted, showing very high levels of consumer spending, including an upward revision to the previous month. Not at all what the Fed or the markets want to see. We did lose ground on Tuesday, which continued through Wednesday and Thursday. Now, over the course of the week, we had 18 Fed presidents who spoke, including on Thursday, Jerome Powell, who, in my opinion, at first was very dovish, very rate friendly. And then over the course of the conversation, talked about the risk of inflation popping back up due to all of these various economic indicators. And the market is unfortunately reacting negatively. We closed out Thursday in the red. Now, on Friday, we did see a bit of a pullback, a little bit of a rebound on Friday. Nice to be in the green for a change. Could it have been end of week positioning, or maybe that we had sold off so much up at this point that it created buying demand for investors? Hey, either way, it was good to see some green. Now, it's all going to come down to incoming economic data confirming that inflation is trending lower. We need to see a slowdown across these various economic sectors before we can start discussing a more meaningful shift in rates. You have any questions about these headlines, about what it means for you and your pre-approval options, definitely give me a call. I'd love to talk to you. All right. Have a great week.